Hey, Life Wanderers, Declan Davey here, health copywriter, and today we're going to go through Law 9 from the 22 Immutable Laws of Marketing. Law 9 is the law of the opposite. So if I could try and summarize this chapter, first of all, we'll start with the initial heading, which is if you're shooting for second place, your strategy is determined by the leader. And it provides a warning really for particularly newer businesses that are trying to forge their name and build their brand, to not get sucked into the temptation to try and emulate the leader, but rather try and differentiate. And it gives some excellent advice saying that much like a wrestler uses his opponent's strength against him, a company should leverage the leader's strength into a weakness. It says you must discover the essence of the leader and then present the prospect with the opposite. And interestingly, there seems to be two kinds of people, two kinds of buyers within the market. There are those who want to buy from the leader, the safe bet, if you like, who are established. And there are those who want to be a bit rebellious and go against the grain. And there are a few different examples of where a brand has been able to differentiate. First up is in the mouthwash category. So obviously we have Listerine, which is very well known. There's one whiff of Listerine and you know that your mouth would smell like a hospital. So it's not too stylish. But Scope came along and said that they were the good tasting mouthwash that kills germs. They were then able to become the second place brand by positioning themselves as a opposite within the mouthwash market. Another example is with beer. So it said that when Beck's beer arrived in the United States, it had a problem. It couldn't be the first imported beer, which was Heineken, nor could it be the first German imported beer, that was Lowenbrau. So it solved its problem by repositioning Lowenbrau. And the marketing message went like this: you've tasted the German beer that's the most popular in America. Now taste the German beer that's the most popular in Germany. It says that now it turns out that the American mouths trusted the German taste more than their own. And Beck's went on to become the largest selling, or second largest selling rather, European beer in America. Another example comes within fast food. So the war between Burger King and McDonald's, it seems to have been going on for years and years. There's that Burger King's most successful years came when it was on the attack. It opened with Have It Your Way, which was a direct opposite to McDonald's mass manufacturing approach to hamburgers. So there are plenty of interesting examples showing how if you want to position yourself as the opposite, then you're more likely to be established as a number 2 brand and have your own thing, if you like. It says that marketing is often a battle for legitimacy. The brand that seems the most legitimate and true, doesn't try to emulate, that's the one that's probably going to become better established as time goes on.